Still in Kaduna State, the Federal High Court sitting in Kaduna State has reserved judgment in the suit filed by the immediate past governor of the state, Nasir El-Rufai, seeking the nullification of the report of the Ad Hoc Committee on the State House of Assembly, which indicted him and his administration in an alleged 423 billion naira fraud. At the court sitting, counsels to the respondents adopted their respective processes and prayed the court dismiss the suit. Trust TV's Bella Musa has more.
Counsel to the Kaduna State House of Assembly, Femi Falanasan, argued that the court lacks jurisdiction to adjudicate on the fundamental right case filed by El-Rufai or dismiss the report of the Assembly based on its constitutional mandate.
A fact-finding, mission to confirm the claim of the applicant, that's the former governor, Nasir El-Rufai, that this was what I'm leaving behind. This is the amount of external debt. This is the amount of domestic debt. So all the House of Assembly did was to summon the relevant commissioners to confirm the figures that the former governor had given. And that if he wanted to appear, what the law is saying, he should have sent a memo. But as far as the law is concerned, it was a fact-finding panel. It's not a court or tribunal. So nobody can go to court on the basis of the finding of a fact-finding panel and say, no, it's not about shaving a man's head. We have not got to that stage. It is when a petition is now sent to the anti-graft agencies, they would then summon him. This is the allegation against you. But as far as the law is concerned, we haven't got to that stage yet.
On his part, the Kaduna State Commissioner of Justice, Sule Shaibu-San, who is also a respondent in the suit filed by his preliminary and substantive objections, and asked the court to dismiss the case on the premise that the court lacks jurisdiction to adjudicate on the matter. He also asked the court to dismiss the suit for lack of course of action against the Attorney General and for being speculative.
And the only thing I need to state here quite clearly is that the claim before the court is that one that has to do with setting aside, declaring as unconstitutional report of an ad hoc committee, and we have made it abundantly clear before the court that nobody can approach this court in the guise of the enforcement of his fundamental rights, that an ad hoc committee did not invite you. The law does not recognize that. We have given that before, we have submitted before the court.
Both respondents further argued that the applicant did not bring the report of the Kaduna State House of Assembly before the court, which they sought the court to declare as unconstitutional, null and void. They therefore pray the court to dismiss the suit in its entirety for lacking in merit. Counsel to Nasir El-Rufai Abdul Hakim Mustafa's son was not present in the court. The presiding judge, Justice Rilwan Aikawa, after listening to the lawyers in the suit, said a date for judgment will be communicated to the parties involved. Bella Musa, Trust TV News, Kaduna.